Hey guys, so this is the Cayman indoors after the decontamination stage, and if you take a look at it in indirect lighting, you would really think the car is in pretty good shape. But I got my scan grip here, and as you can see, you would say that it's pretty good. But when you put some lighting on it, you can really see the spray jacked up. The good part is that it has a lot of defects and swirls, but nothing too deep, so it's a lot of work, but I do think that I can get most of it out with like a 2 or maybe 3 step polish. And my plans for the car are pretty much to first compound it. Well, the car's already been washed, stripped, de-ironized. I removed some spots with tar from Cayman, and it's also been clayed, and now it's just inside. So now it's time to compound it, and I'm going to use Menzerna's FG400 for the compounding stage with my Rups 15 Mark II. And then I think I'm going to follow it up to finish it with CarPro Essence, which is right here. Because I'm planning on coating the car with CarPro UK C-Quartz, and Essence should work as a primer for C-Quartz, so it has a little bit better bonding, so it will be a little bit more aggressive and stay a little bit longer. I don't even know, it's just marketing maybe, but I just want to do everything the best way as possible, as prescribed by CarPro themselves. So as you can see, the car is pretty much the same all the way around. There's not a panel that's a lot worse or better than the others. But for a car that's 10 years old almost and has 70,000 kilometers on the clock, I think it's pretty okay. It's nothing to complain about. So it's 10 AM in the morning now, so I hope I can finish all the polishing and compounding work in one day, and then I'm gonna let it sit overnight, let the essence gas out a little bit, do its work, and then I'm going to come back in tomorrow and coat it with C-Quartz UK. Then let it rest for a full week, because I still have to get the registration and the insurance checked. So it'll be in here for at least a week, so the coating can really cure and do its thing. And then I'll take it out. Right before I'll take it out, I'll put some reload on it, because CarPro suggests that. Should be good. Okay. Quite a lot of white haze. As you can see, the swirls here are a little bit less, but here the swirls are pretty much gone, I think. So I'm pretty sure if I work it a little bit longer and then finish it off in the end with Essence, it should be a pretty good result. Hey guys, so this is the result after compounding on the roof. As you can see, all of the swirls and scratches are gone, but it left a little bit of a haze, actually pretty much of a haze. So you can see that the buffer trails a little bit in the holograms. So now we're gonna finish up with Menzerna 3500, and a polishing pad, and I'll show you in a second what it looks like. This is how it looks after Menzerna 3500 with an orange pad. No pressure at all, just speed test setting to pins very soft. Hey guys, at this point my camera cut off, so I didn't got the whole project on film. In fact, this was footage from back in 2017, and I decided to just never use it because I didn't got everything on camera. So before deleting it, I decided to make a little video out of it, and this is it. So let me know down below if you actually like it or if you thought it was trash and not really fun to watch because I didn't get the whole process, including the coating on video. So as I said, this was from back in 2017, and I just listed the car online for sale just out of pure interest, and the car actually sold within 5 days. So the car isn't with me anymore for quite some time now. But I actually bought something else. I didn't sell my M135i, but something else is coming in as a second car to the channel. I'm also going to sell it, so I don't know how long it's going to stay here. But if you're excited about that, subscribe to the channel to find out as soon as possible what that new car will be. I think it'll be on the channel in about 2 weeks from now. If you liked it, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.